Hola, Angelicy, this side. Warm welcome to Angie's artwork. And this video is a review on the Flash artist gouache colors that I've got. And I'll be also doing a painting at the bottom of this video. So you can feel the colors, how vibrant and how good they are. And so I'll be trying the swatches of the colors, how they are. And this one is light blue. So I've opened them, and we'll try it out on this paper. And I'll be using ivory sheets, and this is a generic brush, okay, I'm using. And we'll now see how smooth they are, how fine they actually are. You can see them. I'm not using water. I just wanted to try and see how fine they are actually, like it is mentioned in the box. So let us try this neon green as well. This one is one of my favorite color. Yeah, and this is very vibrant and pastel also. I like pastel colors, guys. And I know in this generation most of the things are made like pastel colors are preferred. So this is one of them. It's so nice. Yeah. And then we'll try out another color, crimson. This one is my all-time favorite, but let's swatch it out and see the consistency, guys, without using water. This is purely, the swatches are purely without using water. And see, in light also you can see how it looks. This one is lemon yellow. Yeah. And then we'll take another yellow. These are so nice, guys. See, even after drying, how it looks, you can see. Yeah. We'll use this one. I'm not sure with this yellow, ochre yellow. No. Okay. This one is also so good. This yellow is also my favorite. Now we will look at other peculiar features of this gouache colors of Flash. So these are in 25 shades they've given, and these are the other details they've given. Wanna see them? Okay, now it costs about $9.99, and if you ask me if it is worth it, then I can say that it is worth it. I hope you enjoy the painting, and I'll get back to you in a while. Yeah, guys, and this painting is actually a commission painting that I sold it off. And here's the final look. I want you to try this painting out when you buy these colors, and keep smiling and keep painting. Until then, Hakuna Matata.